Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning C programming executions. This program is to implement reversing digits of a number. It's very simple to understand. First level we were discussed about extracting a individual digits from a whole number. For this we learned modular operation. The second is what? Calculating sum of digits. Whatever digits we were extracted here, we were took some variable and we added. Right? And the third logic which is implemented on these two things or what? Whatever digit we were extracting. Let's say the same example 364. Now 4 I am extracting from the whole number by performing modulo operation. Once after I extracted this 4 from the whole number, I want this 4 in this place. I mean, actually 4 is at which place? We were extracting at the first place, correct? I mean, we were extracting this number, this digit, and this number should be the first digit in the reverse, right? So what is the output of 364 if you make it as reverse? It is 463. Once you extracted your number, keep this number as first, right? Now initially I don't have any number, so this number should be at which place? 10 power 0th place. Once after I'll get the sixth digit from this whole number, it should be at 10 power 1 place. Then if I get this 3 number, it should be at 10 square place, correct? So this is what actually. Now what we have to do is, we have to multiply each digit with the 10, right? Now let's see how logic will works. Now your question is what? Reversing a number. So what is input? I advise the students who are watching this, don't copy this code the moment when you find on the screen or wherever it is available. Basically, you are advised to understand what is the question. From that question, make a habit of writing your own code though it is visible. Now, question says you to take a number. Fine. What we have to take, what we have to do. Initially, number value is not known. Let it be declared. So number value can be given in two ways: compile time initialization, run time initialization. Compile time initialization is what? It is static. That means you have to give int n is equal to 364. But how many times you will be changing the input? No times, right? When you are giving a value inside in the variable, for every time you have to come to this to change it. So better you prefer runtime initialization. Runtime initialization is what? Reading the value through scanf. So that's what we'll do here. Scanf %id address of n. So these three statements will help you to know this number value. Now the next part of the question is what? After you know what the number it is, you just find out, reverse the digit, or else find the reverse of a number. To get reverse of a number, we have to first of all write the logic for it. Now, so in the earlier program, we took sum and remainder. This also will take the same digits. Apart from that, we will multiply each sum with the 10. Then you will be going to achieve what questioner is asking. Now let's trace the code. We'll trace it so that you'll understand. Now, so initially what? Do, reminder and percentile 10. We were using do while. The reason to use do while is what? At least one time we'll execute, correct? What is the major difference in between while loop and do while loop? While loop will not execute for single time if condition fails. Do while loop executes at least for one time though the condition fail, because we were not checking here the condition. We were justly simply going inside Exit we are checking the condition. Now let's trace the code. N value is what initially we were taken as 364. Now 364 percentile 10. What is the output? Let's take three variables which makes you to understand more clearly. Now what variables we do have? The variables are n is my variable which is have the value of 364. Correct? N value is updated to 364 and then I have a variable which is sum which is updated with 0 initially, reminder with no value it is. These are what? Three variables. Now, so let's enter into the loop. Now, after you entered inside of a loop, what it is there? N value is 364 percentile 10. Now, reminder value is updated to 4. Now, let's write here 4. Now, come to the second statement. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus reminder. What is sum initially? It is 0. Now 0 into 10. Something into 0, it will be a 0. Plus reminder. What is reminder? 4. That means sum is equal to 0 plus 4 where sum value is 4. Now update this sum with 4. Sum with 4. Now n is equal to n by 10. What is n value? 364. If you divide 364 with 10, then it becomes, it is 36. Now again iterate the loop. Now this time we were checking the condition. If n value is not equal to 0, then we repeat the condition. Now come inside. 36 percentile 10. Now this time reminder is what? It is 6. Now sum is equal to sum into 10 reminder. Sum value is what? Sum is equal to, sum value is what? 4. 4 into 10 plus reminder is what? 6. Now calculate it. 10 into 40. 4 into 10, 40 plus 6. 46 we got. Now update your sum value here, 46. Now come to third statement. N is equal to n by 10. What is n? 36. 36 by 10. What is quotient? 3. Now check the condition. 3 not equal to 0. Condition true. Now we'll repeat. Now this time 33. Value is 3. Now 3 percentile 10. Value is 3. 3 percentile 10. Reminder is what? 3. Now sum is equal to sum into 10. Already sum is holding 46. That means 46 into 10 plus reminder is 3. That means 460 plus 3. Answer is 463. Now that will be available in sum 463. Now come down. Printf reverse equal to percentile d sum. This statement will be come as it is in the output screen. That means we'll see reverse is equal to a number. This number which is available in some variable. What is there in some variable? 463. Now this value will be output. Right? Now let's trace the code. Right. Now look at the code. This is what the code we were discussed just before. Now I'm just going to run the program. So it is asking me to enter some input, right? So I'm just entering the input which is 364. Now what is the output? 463. So this is what reversing a number. Okay. Thank you all.